Welcome. Biko. Welcome. This is Madam Agnes, a beauty therapy and cosmetics boutique. How are you doing? How are you doing? Please, I'm waiting for you. Is anybody online? Hey, Joy. Hey, how are you, my sister? No, I'm living. I'm alive. Oh. It's by grace of God. Yes, how are you, Sister Guresi? Sister Chidemma. How are you? Okay, you are now many. You are many. Sisters, I want to talk about women empowerment. My women empowerment is about one thing. A woman's beauty is her face. It's her face. When you go to town, you go to business meetings, they look at your face. You have to look on point from here to here. Don't be surprised too. So, bleach them the skin, sisters. We are not here to play. We are not here to play. This, you now use it for your skin. You now turn them after you wash them, your face. It go make you white, all white. This one, na fair and white concentrate anti-dark spot remover. This one na work. Na work. Oh. This one na silver rose. Please, use this thing, sisters. Use this thing. Don't embarrass us. Oh. This thing na work. Na work. Oh. Look at my skin. So far. It's so far and white. You can never go wrong. I tell you, you can never go wrong.